Hey, welcome back to another episode of Eric's Camping Adventures. I'm just getting ready for another trip and just want to show you a few little cool things I do to my rooftop tent. And this time I decided to make it permanent. I've never given you a walkthrough in my rooftop tent mods. Haven't done much in here, just have like a little net hanging up on top for some clothing, little fan on top for circulation of air, LED light strip. You know, had I known better, I probably would have not tied this into a battery system, but those go through to a few wires there. There's another one up top behind me here. That all ties into a solar panel up in the front here. And then inside there is a small charge controller, and I just keep it in a little electrical box inside here. Fuse, battery, charge controller, all packed into that little box there. So before a trip, I usually take my mattress out, let it air out in the sunshine. Pillows are out, sleeping bag is out, get a little UV on it and some fresh air. So when you look inside the rooftop tent without the mattress, you can kind of see how the aluminum skin sort of bows a little bit, and you can see the beams. And let me tell you, those little beams actually hurt when you hit your kneecap on that screw or bolt sticking out right there. So I decided to do something just a little bit different for two reasons. One, to not hit my kneecap on that screw, and two, gives me just a little bit more insulation from the cold air underneath the tent. So I'm just cleaning out the floor of the tent with some dust and dirt, and I'm actually finding some things in here all the way back to the Grand Canyon. A Band-Aid I'd used when I cut myself on that trip. So I'm just trying to get the dust out here first. Then I'm going to show you my little modifications so I don't stick my knees down on those bolts. Grand Canyon Band-Aid. So what I'm going to do today is take some closed cell foam and I'm going to glue it down, trim it just right so that it folds up and doesn't hang out. Previously I would put this in here and I just let it lay in here kind of as another surface, but I never fixed it in place. Just some gasket adhesive, and I'm just smearing it all over the deal here to get this stuff to stick down. So this layer here is just about a centimeter thick closed cell foam. It's for backpacking. Just gives a little more softness when you go to lay down in the tent. The bolts don't poke through on your knees when you step on where you knee through on the memory foam, and I think it's going to be a pretty good deal. sleeping quarters with a pad, the mattress, and the sleeping bags back in there. And it's pretty much ready to go. Hope you enjoyed the video, and come back for some more. We're taking off for a new adventure here in the next couple weeks.